everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. This is Taz. I'm really honored today to bring you a look at a special release by Raquel Welch. This is called Statement Style. I'm showing it to you in the color RL 1688 Pale Golden Honey. This was You're not going to want to miss Statement Style by Raquel Welch if you really love those long, lushly layered, lightly textured styles. Statement Style has a ton of layering all over. Now, due to that, it's probably going to be flattering on most face shapes. We're looking at about a 13-inch front piece here. And then I did measure it in the back. Overall, from the crown to the tip, it's 22 inches. So a very long style, and it weighs about 5.6 ounces and has a completely 100% hand-tied cap. And that cap also features a temple-to-temple lace front and a full single monofilament top. Let's take a look. In true Raquel Welch fashion, it's an absolutely impeccable lace front. There's plenty of hair spliced in that kind of hug the head. For a nice, natural, flattering look. You can part it anywhere you want along the top and get the illusion of scalp. This cap is 100% hand-tied, made of a very light, cool base material. Now what that's going to do, it's going to allow each one of these fibers as it's sewn in to kind of pivot and move on its own, which always creates a more natural movement. This color RL 1688 Pale Golden Honey is an absolutely beautiful blonde. It is not rooted. You're going to find a base color of like a medium to dark honey. And then mixed in there, you'll also find some gold blondes as well as some ash blondes. It just makes a very beautiful neutral blonde blend. And in true Raquel Welch fashion, we do have a lot of bold highlighting around the face. Statement Style is made of the Raquel Welch True to Life fibers, which are heat friendly up to 350 degrees. These True to Life fibers right out of the box just remind me so much of the feel and look and movement of real human hair. It has a very luxurious feeling to it. It has a lot of beautiful movement, and these might require just a tad more maintenance. Make sure that you're moisturizing and combing appropriately. So these True to Life fibers also, they just really have a beautiful denier to them. They're not very shiny at all right out of the box. Most Raquel Welch styles that I've experienced here that have a lot of wave to them are that soft body wave. Now this one's a little bit different. It has beautiful amount of body, but you're also going to find a little bit of choppiness in light texture to these waves. You'll notice right at the lace front that that front piece just kind of curves away from the lace front and beautifully flatters the face. I have not used any product or heat appliances in this hair. I took it out of the box, I kind of swirled around just to set these fibers free, and I used the heat from the heel of my hand to create a little bit of contour. This style is beautifully layered and is of an average density. So there's a lot of hair here, but the way all the layering is taking place, it's very flattering and it doesn't feel too heavy at all on my head. You won't find any permatease on this hand-tied cap, and it just feels like I'm reaching in and massaging my scalp right here.